All right, so for today's video, I just want to go over ticker symbol FCEL, that's fuel cell. This is one of our slow burners. We've been mentioning this one for the past few months about fuel cell, and so I'm just giving an update real quick, okay? So we're currently approaching the end of October, heading into November, and I have the daily chart pulled up, okay? So we have last year, October. Okay, from last year, October, mid-October to February 9th, so mid-February or beginning February, let's say, fuel cell went up nearly 1,400%, 1,400%. Okay, and then as you can see, it tanked. Okay, and it's fallen, and it seems to have found support here around like the $5 range. And it has been doing well ever since. Okay, there's been multiple days where it's ran up 10%, 15%, 20% in a day, and yes, it does cool down afterwards, but it's keeping that momentum up and making higher lows. Okay, as you can see here, making higher lows now. But yeah, so I just wanted to go over this. So from October to February, all right. That's not very long. Okay, that's not even half a year. All right, and the stock went up 1,400%. All right, so patterns don't have to repeat themselves. Okay, but if you want to, look at this previous pattern that I had from October to February, which is the reason that I'm looking at it and why it makes sense why this thing fell and why it took so long. It didn't just fall straight down, and why it consolidated so hard is because it had its bid sell off, and now it's had its consolidation period, and we could be entering into the reversal. Okay, we're not confirmed there yet. It still is a slow burner, but this one does move quickly if you do want to day trade it. But possibility wise, we do have some gaps to fill. Okay, and it has been filling the gaps. If you can see, we had this gap down to fill recently. And that's why the stock fell and filled that gap right there. Here in red, if you notice, we're in a little bit of a bullish channel now on the daily chart. Okay, we're here recently. This has been our bottom here. So you can see it was just a quick wick indecision doji right here. All right, we came back down, filled this gap, and then we ran up good. We've been running up good, and it's been cooling off ever since. And today it did well. It had a nice day today. Um, so I was really happy about that. Um, this yellow SMA right here is the 100-day simple moving average. This one right here, this 50 is the white, and then this is the the 300 simple moving average right here. Okay. And then the orange is the 200 simple moving average. All right. So with that being said, it does look pretty good to me. I just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, we had some bullish divergence here. We had our low, we made our lower low. All right, and then we had a low, and then we made our higher low right here. All right, and we've been, according to this trend line, the stock has been reacting well every time on the daily chart. So if you notice, we hit it here, and the next few days it popped up really good. Did that there. Okay, we pitter pattered around. We came down and touched it again. Did really good. Okay, came back down. So you could expect to see some short-term pops. If you notice, we're already in the bounce zone for this one, and we did have that nice pop today. We could continue popping, or I think that it may just be a little bounce. We could try to fall some more and then bounce again and pick up some more steam. Okay, we have two gaps to fill on fuel cell all the way up on the daily chart. So if you're holding shares or you're holding leaps, I would look to at least get these gap fills. Hopefully in this October to February is what I'm thinking. And you can sell half or set a trailing stop loss and see how far we go. If we go back up to 29, or if we make new highs and we go up to 40, who knows what the market's going to do. The overall, this currently is in bearish momentum. As you can see, it's been selling off, and it's consolidating right now. We could drop down if we break, I think, below this bullish channel right here. I think that we could head further down, and I think $3.50 would be our bottom. I don't see fuel cell going much lower than there, but keep in mind, we do have infrastructure news. This one, it won't be like a major benefactor from the infrastructure bill. But when it comes to the news dropping around it and, stocks that trade related to the news towards the infrastructure bill, FuelCell Energy is one of those companies. So let me know what you guys think of FuelCell. Let me know if you're trading it, if you got shares, if you got leaps, what your strategy is. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.